If you're one of those that asked questions on tax ID, pay attention to the end and grab your own answer. I will answer all your questions in this video. Since some of you don't want to visit Taiwo Yedele's handle on X, like I suggested, don't watch video halfway and start asking me questions in the comment section. So for clarity's sake, I'm not APC member. I am not a politician. I don't know them. They don't know me. I am just a content creator who sat down, read and brought vital information to your doorstep. While some reasonable ones are greeting me and asking reasonable questions concerning the information I brought today, some are behaving like oncolos guys by insulting me, like say no be the same hardship with the face for Naija. To those ones, please bring more insult. Anyway, these are frequently asked questions and answers as detailed by Taiwo Yedele on his social media handle X as at the time of making this video today, being Monday, September 15th, 2025. I quoted date because things can change tomorrow. Number 1. Is it true that everyone must obtain a tax ID before opening or continue to operate a bank account? The answer is yes, but with some clarifications. Section 4 of the NTAA requires all taxable persons to register with the tax authority and obtain a tax ID. Mark the word taxable. Who is a taxable person? A taxable person is someone who carries on trade, business, or other economic activity to earn income. Banks and other financial institutions are required to request a tax ID from taxable persons. Individuals who do not earn income and are not taxable persons are not required to obtain a tax ID. That's number 1. Number 2, is this requirement new? The answer is no. This is not a new policy. It has been in place since the Finance Act 2019, which amended Section 49 of the Personal Income Tax Act since January 2020. Individuals opening a business account have been required to provide a tax identification number, which is TIN. The NTAA only strengthens and harmonizes this requirement. Number 3, why does the new law say tax ID instead of TIN? Answer is, tax ID is a term that unifies the different TINs issued by the Federal Inland Revenue Services, FIRS, Joint Tax Board, JTB, and State IRS. Ultimately, your NIN, that is your NIN, for individuals, and CAC, that document you use to register your business. For companies, those that have companies, your NIN and your CAC document will serve as tax ID. So if you have TIN already and you have NIN, you don't need to bother your head about tax ID, because according to this place, it's saying that it's duplication. So you don't need to talk about tax ID again because you already have. Then number 4, if I already have a TIN, do I need a new tax ID? The answer is no, because you already have TIN. Your existing TIN remains valid. If you already have one, you do not need to register again. For those without a TIN, you will need your NIN, that is for individuals, or your CAC document for companies to process your tax ID. Because this place now, some people have CAC document that did not come with TIN. So if you're in that category, you need to register for tax ID. So this one now, question 5 says, will I need to queue for biometrics to obtain a tax ID? The answer is no. The tax ID is simply a unique number linked to your identity, not necessarily a physical card. To obtain it, you can visit the nearest FIRS, State IRS, or JTB office, or apply online via their official websites. It is free of charge. Please do not patronize touts or unofficial agents. Does the tax ID requirement also apply to businesses? The answer is yes. For unincorporated businesses, your personal TIN/your tax ID is sufficient. For companies, NGOs, incorporated trustees, and other registered entities, a TIN will be automatically generated with your CAC registration details. If your business was registered without a TIN in the past, simply visit the FIRS or apply online with your CAC documents to get one. Then number 7, what about Nigerians in the diaspora? The answer is Nigerians abroad can obtain a tax ID using their NIN for banking or investment purposes in Nigeria. A simplified process has been introduced for diaspora Nigerians. So they are saying that you should visit this website, NIMC, for details. That is where you see details for those living abroad. Do foreign companies and non-resident entities need a tax ID? The answer is yes. If they do business in Nigeria, a non-resident company supplying goods or services to Nigeria customers must register for a tax ID. However, those earning only passive income, dividends, interest, royalties, rent may not need to register, though they must provide relevant information. A company registered abroad but effectively managed or controlled in Nigeria is treated as resident and must comply. Number 9. Are government-owned enterprises and agencies exempt? Answer is no. Section 5 of the NTAA requires all ministries, departments, agencies, and government-owned enterprises, federal, state, or local, to register for tax and obtain a tax ID. Number 10. What happens if a taxable person does not register by 1st January 2026? The answer is without a tax ID, a taxable person may not be able to operate bank accounts, insurance policies, pension accounts, or investment accounts. Sanctions also apply under the NTAA. However, individuals who are not taxable persons are not required to obtain a tax ID. This place is saying that it's not everybody that is taxable. Everybody must not pay tax. Get it right before you come under the comment section to tell me that I'm lying. Number 11. How will this benefit ordinary Nigerians? Answer is the aim is to simplify identification, reduce duplication, and close loopholes that allow tax evasion. For most individuals and businesses, their NIM or CAC number will serve as their tax ID with no extra paperwork. These ones, some people, they already have this TIN. So when you already have it, you don't need it again. This is what this place is saying. This ensures fairness so that everyone who earns taxable income contributes their share while protecting low-income citizens who are not taxable. Low-income citizens are not taxable. I hope I've been able to answer all your questions. Stop coming to me to tell me you want to protest. Channel your energy rightly. For those insulting me, you no get time to read. Person read, can't teach you. You diverse. Wetin concern me concern your versation. Na me be a trainable wey remove subsidy. My good people, see you some other time.